Today we were buying out all of my neighbor's farm equipment. This past fall, we had the honor of helping our neighbor finish his harvest with our old equipment. And as it turns out, it was his last harvest. He passed away shortly after. The farm is having to be sold, and the family gave us the first chance at buying it. And so we are taking all of his equipment and keeping it on the farm, putting it to good use. And that all starts this planting season. It just so happens that the equipment that he has is just what we are in need of. Stuff to plant our sweet corn patch and stuff to put up our hay. So let's take a look at everything that we got. Back behind the bins here, we have a sickle mower, pull behind. We got this for $1,000. Also by the bins, a pull behind hay rake, also $1,000. Mounted rototiller for $1,000. And sitting next to it, this is probably going to be one of the most useful things, a planter. $1,000 for 2 rows. And even comes preloaded with corn. Probably gonna have to clean that out.
Me being a Facebook Marketplace junkie, I know the value of all these things, and this is a great value for all these things, especially so close to home and all in one area and in working condition. I'm super pumped about all the things we got and how much we paid for them. And we also got a freebie. Come check it out.
I'm intrigued. You know how much I like a good freebie. And almost even more than a freebie, I like a good barn/weed find. We're really getting back here. What is this?
A spring tooth harrow with a straight handle. You never get one of these. Look at that.
What? Do you pull that behind a tractor?
Yeah, or a four-wheeler for the driveway or just whatever you want. Sweet corn patch, we could smooth it out. They threw that in for free.
Okay, I like it. But the crown jewel of this whole farm is this super low hour diesel John Deere 3010. It has just over 3,000 hours on it, and it is in super great condition. This is what we're going to be doing the bulk of our work with, and we got it for fired up, no problem. I barely had to turn the key.
Little black knob. Look at that.
I think we got ourselves a pretty good deal. They don't make tractors like this anymore.
How do they just make them with more lights on them?
A lot more lights.
Thing's pretty quiet, isn't it?
Typical old farmer things. Baling wire everywhere. Tractor started a little too easy. I'm nervous about how this hookup is going to go. It's sunk down pretty far. It's been sitting for a long time. Now Now I just need to get the other side. Grant, you're so strong.
This is going way too easy.
What would I do without you? I can't believe that worked. Now this is the last step here, is top link. No way. No way.
Needs a kick. Now flip that lever. Locked in. Extra parts.
Extra. Take that home, put that to good use. Look at that. What a dream. That is perfect. Just like that. Let's get these beauties home. The chain's moving, that's a good sign. Look at that. It is planting corn. Look at that spacing. That is perfect spacing right there. Grant, it works. The spacing is fabulous. We need to work on the depth. I can't believe it.
I can't believe that was easier to set up than our big planter.
Oh my,
we just set that up. Oh.
Looks like, oh,
Got some settling.
slight settling issues.
Oh, nice. I'm glad we dissed our sweet corn patch because there's no row openers.
Yeah.
Oh, it's settling fast.
Hmm.
Looks like we need to grease it. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I think there's some adjustments to be made, but all in all, considering we're just picking this up, I think we're in luck. Looks like a small leak of some kind here, but nothing major. Now that the planter is loaded up on the tractor, it's time to load up the back of the truck.
Think we can manhandle this thing?
Well, I think we're gonna try our best. How heavy is this thing, do you think?
I don't think it's too bad.
You don't think so?
No.
Well, it's a good thing I've been hitting the gym.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Now let's move this button.
Oh, we can lift this. We can lift this. All right, lift with your legs, not your back, okay?
Well, I've already lifted. I'm a really bad cameraman. We did get it loaded. The camera just quit. Sorry. You can blame me. Sorry.
We're farmers, not filmers. Now, to load up the rest of our goodies here. I'm not super excited about lifting these weights. Good thing I brought Muscles McGee here, right?
Really nice find here. It's a quick hitch for that tractor. This will come in handy. Ooh, looks like it's broke.
Need a bit of a weld job.
We might have to do some fixing.
By Muscles McGee, I definitely meant me, right? Yeah.
Got spare planter parts. That's nice.
Never have too many of those.
Any other goodies?
Can we roll it? Do they roll?
Good thing there's circles.
That's nice. And we'll just lift up.
Yeah.
Get ready.
1, 2.
Okay. Well, this time I'm the bad filmer. 200 pounds apiece, 4 of them, 2 people.
Wait, was it not recording?
Got them. No, I got it rolling the first one up and then cut.
Huh. It is pretty warm out here. I wonder if the phone got hot.
I don't know. Like I said, we're not pros, just muscles. We got everything loaded up though. Time to road trip home. Grant's riding the tractor. I'm roading this load. Let's ride, shall we? That's good. Protect those ears. Made it home. Looking good.
This thing is the best driving tractor yet.
We have to get all that crud out before we can plant our nice sweet corn. Our small issue is this crack right here. This needs to be pressed together. We're missing 2 bolts and 3 nuts. I think we might be able to find them in our supply.
Ah.
Look at that. The inner workings. Look, there's a little brush. Here's where our corn seeds come out. They sit right under here.
Little finger pickups, pick them up.
Look at that, spring loaded.
Usually works pretty good.
I'm impressed.
Similar size, nut on the back.
First try? How did I do that? All right, this is what we're looking for. All right, This right here. And this right here. Boltsandnuts.com, keeping us well stocked and prepared. Just like that. All tightened, ready to plant. We are learning from last year, the lessons that we learned, and also all of your guys' comments. And instead of planting our huge sweet corn patch all in one go, we are going to be doing this in stages. So we're gonna go plant a little bit of sweet corn now. Someone wanted to be in the shot. And then wait a week or 2, plant some more, wait another week, plant some more, so on and so forth. So instead of it all being ready at one time, it's spaced out a little more evenly.
Pepper, what do you think of the new tractor?
She's inspecting it now.
First time she's been on it.
Pepper usually finds her best napping spots on the seats of tractors, old ones and new ones. They're her favorite spot to observe. What do you think, Pepper? You like it? Last step before we go out. Get it all greased up. A lot different than the hand pump grease guns. This thing's speedy.
First doom.